This tutorial will introduce you to Canvas, the learning management system for NSU University School. To begin, please go to the USchool website at uschool.nova.edu. From here, click the Community Login link on the top right corner of the website. To log into Canvas, you will need your parent username and password. Please remember that this is different than your student's username and password. If you know your username but have forgotten your password, please use the password reset tool in the center of the page. If you do not remember your username or password, or would like additional assistance logging in, please contact the USchool Help Desk at uschoolhelpdesk@nova.edu or by phone at 954-262-4527. Once you have both your parent username and password on hand, please click the Canvas login link on the right-hand side. This will take you to the NSU University School site for Canvas. Please note that there are other sites for other schools to log into Canvas. It is very important that you use the community login link or bookmark this site to ensure you are logging in to the correct login page. Enter your username and password and then click Log In. The first time you log in, you may see a notification at the top asking you to select your notification preferences. This is where you can choose what to be notified of and how often. If you'd like to change these notification preferences later, you can always click on Account on the left and then select Notifications. In the center of the dashboard, you'll see a course card for each class that your student is taking. Please note that for grades 1 through 5, there is one course for the whole grade level. For grades 6 through 12, there is an individual course card for each course that your student is enrolled in. To see announcements, assignments, extra help hours, and related resources for a course, please click on the course name. On the right-hand side, you may also see a list of upcoming events and assignments. For the full list of upcoming assignments, including all assignment details, due dates, and resources, please be sure to look in each individual course. For grades 6 through 12, this assignment information will be posted on the announcements page. For grades 1 through 5, the information will be posted on the individual teacher's homepage. This concludes the introduction to Canvas. Additional tutorials will be made available. Please remember that Canvas is our way of communicating course content, curriculum, assignment information, and announcements. My Backpack will continue to be the place to find student schedules, grades, attendance records, and forms. If you have questions or need help accessing Canvas or any of our USchool systems, please contact the USchool Help Desk at uschoolhelpdesk@nova.edu or by phone at 954-262-4527.